Welcome to our journey into the world's most haunting sounds. Brace yourself as we explore the eerie, the unsettling, and the downright terrifying. When you hear the rattlesnake's rattle, you can feel the lurking danger, like a warning from nature itself. The distinctive sound sends chills down your spine, reminding you of the venomous threat nearby. In the quiet of the night, a sudden phone ringing can make your heart race, bringing an unavoidable sense of unease. This unexpected disturbance breaks the silence, filling the air with anxiety and suspense. The wind whistling through empty fields creates eerie moans, like lost souls wandering in the dark night. This haunting melody of the wind stirs up ancient fears and whispers of the unknown. The scream of a fox at night sounds disturbingly like a human's cry, sending chills down your spine. This eerie sound in the dead of night makes the forest come alive with unseen terrors. The sound of scratching at the door late at night creates the feeling that something terrifying is trying to break in, making it hard to stay calm. Each scratch intensifies the fear of the unknown lurking outside. These sounds are not just noises. They are deeply emotional experiences that evoke profound fears within the human soul. Thank you for joining us on this eerie journey. Stay tuned for more chilling explorations of the world's most haunting sounds.